Isn't time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of July, 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.96. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 23.85% since we first listed Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.82% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 34.69% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 11.81% to 53.52%. Looking at a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 108.09%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 57.38% and 275.03% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $25.50 and $60.76. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing highlights that the stock price concluded at $16.20 on Tuesday, after an increase of 1.38%. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, the stock price rose by 1.38%, moving from $15.98 to $16.20. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.75%, ranging from a low of $15.48 to a high of $16.37. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown variability, with an overall gain of 11.96%. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which indicates a positive technical sign. In total, 7 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with an aggregate of 35 million shares exchanged for an estimated $560,870,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest price was 66 cents. Currently, the stock price is 24.37%, or $5.22, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti reported its results for the second quarter today, which fell short of expectations. Revenue did not meet estimates, and the company recorded a loss that was larger than anticipated, causing a decline in the stock price. Concurrently, Rigetti announced the general availability of its 36-qubit multi-chip quantum computer, marking a significant commercial milestone that reinforces its chiplet strategy. In the short term, the earnings miss and the wider loss are likely to exert selling pressure, increase volatility, and foster skepticism regarding immediate growth as investors analyze the updated guidance and cash flow situation. Over the longer term, the introduction of the new 36-qubit system, along with potential demand from government and enterprise sectors, presents a clear opportunity for growth if Rigetti can convert its technical advancements into consistent customer acquisitions and contracts. Given the stock's substantial recent increase, its valuation is extremely sensitive to execution. To achieve sustained gains in share price, the company must accelerate revenue growth, improve margins, and demonstrate a steady flow of contracts. Without these elements, fluctuations driven by headlines and associated risks may continue to be a concern. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 4th of August 2025, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of July, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned RGTI a buy grade along with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They characterize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. The stock of Rigetti Computing Inc. presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, creating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is higher than the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected around the levels of $15.93 and $14.28. A drop below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is generally viewed as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been detected, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, July 18, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 5.59%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here's some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 28 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, identified 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, recorded 32 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal seen 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, detected 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, noted 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, recognized 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock encounters support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $14.02 and $13.86. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock approaches a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the subsequent support. In this instance, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $14.02. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $13.86 and $12.52. This stock may experience substantial movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 89 cents between its high and low, representing 5.75%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 5.65%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can go through difficult times, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can be a warning sign of insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at -6 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $16.56. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $14.02. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 17th of July, 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted an insider sell of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of July, 2025, Johnson Ray O. conducted an insider sell of 40,420 shares of common stock. On the 16th of July, 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted another insider sell of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Fitzgerald Alyssa conducted an insider sell of 77,284 shares of common stock. On the 11th of June, 2025, Clifton Michael S. conducted an insider sell of 25,000 shares of warrants, which provide the right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 24.186. In total, insiders purchased 7,197,365 shares and sold 7,877,341 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.50, representing a decline of 4.34%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 17 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, paired with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform favorably in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of August, we anticipate Rigetti Computing to open lower by approximately 18 cents and begin trading around $16.02. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.